Hello everybody and welcome to this short video on how to reset your desktop settings in Sage 200. The reason you may want to do this is to reset some of the screens in Sage 200 back to its default state. Now where you may find this particularly useful is, say for example, if you're doing a purchase order or a sales order or maybe even an invoice, there's something not right about the headings on the screen. So for example, if we look at our purchase order here and we go to do a purchase order as normal, by clicking on enter new purchase order. If we call up our supplier, what you may notice as you're looking at this screen is one of these options or heading options is missing. You may notice this from a previous time you've done an order, or you may notice that a colleague of yours has more options than you do on the screen. Now this can easily happen if you're trying to say drag and resize some of these options or move things around, and you accidentally just drag one of the options off the screen. And no matter how much we go left and right down here on the slider bar, the options don't reappear. Now the only way to get this back is to reset your desktop settings. Now to do this, what you would do is press close here. You would go to tools in the top right and you would choose the option for preferences. Then we have the option for reset desktop settings. So you would click on that and then you would click yes to the message that appears. Once that is done, click OK on the preferences screen. And then when you go back into your purchase order or the screen you were working on, you will notice that the options here have been reset to their default state. So thank you for watching this short video on how to reset your desktop settings in Sage 200. I hope that you found it helpful and have a nice day.